Hey guys, welcome back to UnWine with Janet. And guess what I'll be cooking up today? Air fried pork chops. This is gonna be one of the most juiciest and thoroughly seasoned air fried pork chop that you've ever had. So come let me show you how we do it. Quick. You want to start by making sure your pork chops have been washed with some vinegar and water and then patted dry. So I'm using 2 pounds of pork tenderloin, as well as some oil spray, garlic powder, seasoning salt, onion powder, black pepper, and some paprika. Now I'm just going to combine all the dry ingredients together. And as you're going to see, this is going to be another one of those simple and easy recipes. The reason why it's easy, it's gonna be air fried, so you don't have to be going back to the stove to keep looking and turning. You put it in your air fry, you set the timer, and that's it. You know, I am here thinking to myself, why did I think of the air fryer before now? It would have made my life so much easier, but I guess nothing happens before the time, right? So as I had mentioned before, this is a bone-in pork tenderloin and it's very thick, so it's going to take a little longer to cook. So all I'm going to do now is just to pat the dry seasoning all over. You want to make sure that it catches every single part of the pork tenderloin, just like what I'm doing. I should also point out that before I started adding the dry rub to the pork chops, I sprayed a little bit of oil spray just so that the seasoning can stick to it a little bit better. And I already preheated the air fryer to 375. We're gonna air fry for 20 minutes. Because they're a thicker cut, I want to air fry for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna turn them over. So if you were air frying thinner slices of pork chops, 20 minutes would be all that you need, and then you would turn them during the halfway mark. But because mine is a little bit thicker and I like to have mine well done, that is why I'm using 20 minutes first flip, and then I'll put them back in, and then it will be about another 10 minutes and then they're done. But as I said, if they're thinner, it will be quicker. Now pork chops are done and they're at least 145 degrees, but for me mine has to be 165. So it's all up to you, your preference. 145 is the recommended temperature, 165 for me. Now this is what it looks like when it's all done. I had put them back in for another 10 minutes and then this is what it is. They are so brown and they're so crispy and they smell so good. So take a look. So go ahead and give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's video. What good? Till me see you next time, alright?